Are you still sending employee changes through email, or even using that ancient Excel spreadsheet from 15 years ago? It's time for an upgrade. Using Astrata's newest Personal Action Form module, you can make information changes, salary changes, status changes, as well as update employee project information. To use the module, you simply create a new form, select the employee you wish to change, and select the relevant form. When editing personal information, all employee information will be displayed, including the hire date, name, and address information. Any of this information can be changed. When submitting the changes, you will then see the old information on the left and the updates on the right. All of our forms have the ability to add an approver and notes. Once an approver is selected, the manager and approver will be notified and can accept these changes. Another great feature of our Personnel Action Form module is salary changes. Here, you can select an employee, enter their new job title, class, location, and salary increase. You can do this on a percentage basis or a hard dollar amount. You can also add an additional approver for this and add notes to attach to the submitted change. The manager who would approve this change will receive a notification regarding the submission. They have the ability to accept or reject the change with one click, seeing the previous salary and position side by side with the changes. Another form within the Astrata module that you can edit is project changes. Simply select the employee and select project changes. Here you can edit the effective date, the new project, and the project labor category. After submission, you will be able to assign an approver and add notes about the change. The approver will receive a notification about the change and will be able to accept or deny any of the changes. Our final form in the Personal Action Form module is the status change. Select an employee you wish to edit and select status change. From here, you can select the effective date, change or add their job title, select their manager, and make changes to options such as the employee class and type, as well as labor locations and work schedule. Here, you can also edit their salary, as well as add approvers and notes. The information displayed on the left is the old information and the new information on the right.